Hello friends, welcome back. Myself Sushumna Sehgal and you're watching Innovation to Revolution, video third of making AI or developing. I already explained you about AI functions, modules, libraries which we are using. In today's video, we are going to import libraries and make some functions which are going to which are like date and time and another stuff like opening Chrome by while using our codes in Python. So stay tuned with us. Let's start the video.
So let's start coding. As you can see, I named this project nobody.py. Py is the extension for Python, and nobody is the name of the virtual assistant which I am making. So first we need to import libraries or modules which we are going to uh, use which we are using in this video. So we will write all the libraries names, then we show you how to import them while using PyCharm. Import yes, import pyttsx3, then speech recognition, as SR is the short form of speech recognition. Then we import web browser, then we import date and time. For date and time, web browser is for the search. We are going to speak to this virtual assistant to get the result from the web browser. Import date, then we import Wikipedia, Wikipedia is actually used for the information gathered by the web browser to tell us what we are searching for. So to download these libraries or to install these libraries, we have to go to file, then settings, then project interpreted. Under Python project, we will add this option, and then search any libraries, just like pyttsx3. Here you can see the library name, so you go down there and install that thing. uh, this is for you. I already installed all the libraries which I am using, so I don't need to install them again. So that's how you can install these libraries. Now we will write programs now. First method we are going to take is the command method. For that command method, actually uh, it takes the command from you, then recognize it, and then give you the output. That's why we need speech recognition for recognizing our command. Okay, now we write def take command, then parenthesis, then r dot sr speech recognition, not dot, it's equal to speech recognition sr dot recognize, recognize. You can see that we use sr, then on the library import is get orange because we use that math module. That's why it get oranged. Then parenthesis. Now Now we use microphone module to listen the command like this, with sr dot microphone parenthesis as source. Oh, sorry, not in the parenthesis. As I say, Python is too easy to write. I understood. Then to print listening in curly braces, because it is a string. Then dot dot dot. Now second of non-speaking audio, we use phrase threshold, that to means we have to complete our phase, it have to wait for that time, so we are using threshold. For that we write r dot phase, not phase, it's pause threshold, equals to 0.7. Then we go to audio, equals to r dot listen source. Okay, then we use try and accept method for recognizing and giving us output. For that we use try print, sorry, not curly braces, it's parenthesis, then quotation marks, and then recognizing. After recognizing, we use query to set our language. Query equals to r dot recognize dot google audio. In parentheses we put audio. Then in parentheses we use comma and then put language. Language equals to single quotation mark in en slash in, means English in Indian English. So this is right. And then we use print parenthesis curly braces, your command is printed, equals to, we use equals to, then comma query. Okay, then now we use try method. Now we use accept method to get otherwise, if this command doesn't work, otherwise we will get what. Okay, accept exception as e. Now print e, print quotation mark, say that again, sir. Now return return quotation mark none, then again return query. See, exception means if this command, like our laptop our microphone doesn't understand what we are saying, our virtual assistant doesn't understand what we are saying, then exceptions method work. Like it write down in the console, it say that again sir, then return to that query again. So it runs and runs again and again to get our command properly. Okay, now we are going to another method, which is speak. mm, Wait a second, my laptop get so now it's working. So now our next method is speak method. So def speak, I hate. Now the def speak method, it is um, it is a method by which we understand by which our voice assistant give us the output in the form of a male voice or a female voice. For that we are going to write def speak curly braces audio, or not curly braces, parenthesis audio. Then we use what type of engine we are using, pytt sx3 engine. So engine means it is a type of thing by which we get informed by our virtual assistants. Engine equals to pyttsx3 dot init initial function. Then we are using voices equals to engine dot get property voice single quotation marks voices, it's not whips, voices. Then we are using what type of voice, either it is male or female. For male we are using 0, and for female we are using 1. It is a set property. Like engine, again engine dot set property single mark voices. Oh sorry, not voices, it's one voice. Then voices square brackets 0 dot id. Then the method for speaking of the assistance is ready. Now we have to end that method to get to another method. For that we write engine dot say audio, again to the upper hand of def function. It say audio, what type of audio it is. Then it say engine dot run and wait, means uh, engine voice will run and wait for your command, then recognize it, then responds to your command, and then the queries rerun again and again and again until you get that function to stop. Okay, now the next function, next method we are going to use is mm, day method, tell day method. For that, def tell day parenthesis, then oh sorry, that for tell day method we have started that def function. Def is the main function by which we start the whole program. Okay, day equals to date, date and time, date and time dot date and time dot today dot weekday uh, plus plus 1. Okay, it's like the weekday start from 1, by that it tell us day. Now we are going to make a dictionary for our days. For that we use day underscore dictionary dict equals to, see, if you want to understand the whole Python concept, I have uploaded all the important sessions for that stuff, Python stuff. Go watch it and have the information what try, accept, def, dictionary, string, tulips, and many things means. Okay, in Python it is so important. Now we use curly braces, then one, then single quotation mark Monday, then comma 2. Actually we are using we are making a dictionary function by which we can make a week structure. Okay, week structure, not that week structure, weekend structure. Okay, then Monday, then Tuesday, after Tuesday we are sorry, for Tuesday, after Tuesday we got Wednesday. For W Wednesday, then after Wednesday we got fourth day, which is what, Thursday. Thursday. Oh, wait a second. I got a spelling mistake. That's why it get an underline that you got a spelling mistake. Yeah, again. Now after Thursday we got fifth day, which is Friday. I want to tell you that the Python is an upcoming language for everything. Like, Python is so important that it is used for AI. If you are good, the main AI means the advanced, super advanced AI you want to understand what is machine learning. Machine learning is a difficult subject, but it can be done by a precision, a focus by you, how much focus you got. Okay, now after making the dictionary, we are going to set if function. What that means: if day in day dictionary, day dictionary dot key now day underscore of. Now we are making a sentence in Python. Another language don't make that thing happen. It give you the error, but in Python it is easy. Day of the week equals to day dictionary square brackets day. Simple. It is so simple, even a 10-year kid can understand what I have written. That's why Python is easy. Print day of the week speak. Now it will speak us that what day was it or is it. Speak curly braces. The day is not id, is plus day of the week. Okay, day of the week. Okay, that's you can see the method of getting the day is so small that we have written in a few lines, but in other language it should be about 40 to 50 lines to get a day out from the program. Now telling time, another method is it tell us the time. For that, def tell time in you have to a little bit conscious or to focus on that, when to write alpha capital or when to write lowercase, so it so you can precisely do your work. Okay, now tell time. Now we write time equals to str means string, string date time dot date time dot now. Means it is like tell the date time now, means what is the time right now, it will tell you that. Okay, tell you that. Yeah, now we will write print time. Oh sorry. Now we have hours equals to time square bracket 11 13. Oh, 11 13, sorry. Now minutes equals to time square bracket another 14 16. Now we will speak, means our program will speak the time. Speak self comma, now this double quotation mark, uh, the time is plus hours plus what the hours are, and minutes. Now minutes, what are the minutes? Sorry, am I, this is how we get the time function is done. Now greeting function, hello. Okay, hello function. So for the hello we also need another def function, def hello. Simple, it is not complicated. Speak 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 welcome sir. Welcome sir, I'm your assistant now we'll use slash tell me what type of help you want from me. This is a greeting function, so it ends here. Simple, not much difficult as it seems. That virtual assistant, what is it? It is like a difficult thing. How we can make? Nah, it is not. How it is not difficult. It is easy to make a simple, but to advance it has some difficulties. Okay, now the main things we got now is queries. How our assistant take queries, what queries it should take. So for that we need another function which is take query. Okay, for that we use take underscore query parenthesis. Many things get wrong, but after that it gets settled. Now first query is hello. Oh, sorry, hello. Okay, why we are getting the error? Yeah, here we are getting error. I don't know why. Self speak self under self we got error. I'll see we will see after here. Now we will use while loop. While true, if it is true, I said you that please do on focus on things that how you can uh, make things right in programming by doing understanding where to use capital or use lowercase. Okay, now we are using query take command, not spaces. Take command parenthesis dot lower. What you understand by this command means take command in lower case, not in uppercase. In lower case it get easier to operate. Okay, if open YouTube, double quotation mark, open YouTube, inquiry, speak, opening YouTube. Then web browser, yeah, we are now using web browser to get opening to get YouTube opened. Okay, now we are using web browser dot open. The URL is, as you can see, www.youtube.com, www.youtube.com. Simple. Then we write, and then continue means to continue that process, to continue that query again and again and again. Now we write elf. Elf is in another loop to continuously use that loop for giving the outputs. Elf open Google inquiry speak opening Google. Then we use web browser. No, it is web browser dot open, and now we use link, which is www.google.com. Simple. google.com. Now it works like this. I will write all the things. Yeah, continue. Now after this we want time and date what time is it or what day is it. We use elf statement again. Elf what which days, which day is it, mm, in query, uh, speak. No, now it will not speak telling the day. It will direct tell what day is it. For that we use the function which we write on the upper hand side, on the upside, the tell day function, to get the day out of our virtual assistant. Continue. Then again we use elf statement to tell the time. Elf what what time is it, in query tell time function. Again we use tell time function to get the time out of our what is it, virtual assistants. Now we are using we are saying by to shut shut down these functions, or to uh, end this process, terminate this program. We use another elf statement. Elf by in query speak speak uh, now I am promoting my YouTube channel. By check out innovation revolution. Innovation revolution, simple. For interesting video, oh sorry, for interesting videos. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Meet you in the next video. Not in the next video, still we are uh, going video. Now exit. This by function makes the program to terminate or exit. Okay, then we if then we again say open something, it will again start working. Okay, now we are making another elf statement for opening Wikipedia. Elf from Wikipedia, from Wikipedia in query speak checking the Wikipedia from it will speak like if you say na search some word or some like search atom, it will say from Wikipedia or checking the Wikipedia, then it will respond to your query in 6 line, like that. Checking the Wikipedia query query dot replace Wikipedia, then we use double quotation mark to in these empty double quotation mark, the output from the Wikipedia is going to be spoken or written in the console panel. Okay, then we are getting the result. Result Wikipedia dot summary query sentence, which sentence in 6 line. I have spoken to you that before, that the sentence which going to be written or spoken, they are in total of 6 line. Sentence equals to not sentences equals to 6. Okay, set it according to your perspective, either you want 6, 4, 10 or something like that. It is on you, on your own. I will give you these codes on the on my channel. You will set up according to your own perspective. Okay, make your own settings to get a result for from your own, and tell me in the comment section you have checked these codes to get your program right according to Wikipedia. That's how it is going to be spoken according to Wikipedia. Something something is something something. Speak a result in 6 line. Now we have written the for Wikipedia function. Now we are going to write the main thing is telling telling that name, means what is what my virtual assistant's name. I am using virtual assistant name is nobody, because nobody is like a name which nobody tells. What is it? Tell me your name. In query I will tell you that in some days after completing this session, a virtual assistant or AI session, you will get a good video of making games by using Python. It will help you to understand what Py game help you in making games. Nobody. Okay, your assistant. Okay, I am making one more function which is tell me about innovation revolution. Elf tell me about innovation revolution in query. Now speak. It will tell it is YouTube channel with video with session going on, virtual assistant, and interesting videos are coming up. It is a channel interesting session going on about virtual assistance and some interesting videos are going come. For that, don't for that please subscribe this channel. That please subscribe this channel. So this is our video. Now most important, thing we are going, the main function, which is the most important thing. For that, if underscore name underscore double equals to single single quotation mark underscore main take queries. That's it. Take underscore queries. This is the main function. By this the whole program will run again and again. Okay, now we will check. Here you can see 2 errors we got. Now we have to see where we got 2 errors. First is take command, okay, and another is self. We have to say whether we set take command wrong on the main function. Yeah, we have set take command wrong. I tell you, see, 1 error we got. Now we have to set another error, which is self. Now what about self? Why the self is not okay? Wait a second. Why the self is not working? Minute time 14:16. Okay, everything is fine. Why the self speak self? install the import package self create parameter. I think problem is still not right. Why we got this self error? Because of this. First we didn't include self in def function. First we include self, then we go to this self speak. Now speak function we also don't haven't include this self SLE self dot speak. Now we haven't we don't have any error. Now we will run this thing. Hope that this will work. Okay, running. Hello. Not giving the output. What are the queries I have written? Open YouTube. Still not working. Wait for it. See, it is somehow working and somehow not. You can see by your own. See. Still not giving any error, but
Welcome sir, I am you assistant slash tell me what type of help you want
Welcome
from
sir,
me.
I am you assistant slash tell me what type of
it
help you
is
want from me.
working little bit but giving error. This is it for the video. In the next video I will make sure that these code work. This is not working because of pi audio. I didn't import pi audio because in like you can see in setting I can open here I add pi. See, pi audio is not installing, the package is not installing, so that's why I am not going to how like how can I install this pi audio. Let me know. One thing is I can go to console panel and install that. Let me see if it is if it install or not. In the next video I make sure that you see all the queries work properly, and in the next video I'm also going to include more queries and more math libraries and methods, so it will help you to understand what virtual assistant do for you, and what effect you what major role can play virtual assistant in your life. See, it is the second last third video of the virtual assistant. In the next video you will know what I will more I import more libraries and things, and in the last video I will tell you about pros and cons of virtual assistant or AI. So that's it for the video. Goodbye until next time. Please subscribe this channel, like this video, comment, share to your loved ones. Goodbye, meet you in the next video.
So that is all for today's video. In the next video, we are going to make more function, make more advancement in making virtual assistants. Meet you in the next video. Until that, goodbye. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to your loved ones. And last, goodbye. Thank you.